With this video, what I'm going to show you how to do is make hollow shapes in windows. Now, in the earlier video, I made shapes hollow, so I could, if I had like a lid here, I could take this thing off and I could see into this shape. I could see the inside of the box. So my rules about visible corners going to the vanishing point are still exactly the same, right? You can see that one, you can see that one, you can see that one. If I take this side off, well, then I could see the inside and I could see that one going to my vanishing point. That's the direction. Here is the back of my shape. So once again, my rules, sides end parallel to how they begin. There's the beginning of that inside wall. Here is the end of that inside wall. Here is the beginning of the floor, if you want to think of that like looking into a shed or something like that. Here is the end of the floor, parallel to each other. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a window in this shape. And to show you that this is exactly the same thing, a window is like a window into your house. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a window. Watch me here for a second. This will make sense. You're probably like, what the heck am I doing? Okay, but I'm going to demonstrate that this is actually exactly the same skill as making a shape hollow. Okay, let's say this is a window into a house. I could only see through the window, so I'm going to do this. And you can see now that there's my corner, there's my opening into like this block. Okay, so like this is like a box. Okay, and there's an opening going into it, and there's my corner going back towards my vanishing point. There's the back wall parallel to the front wall, and there's the back floor parallel to the front floor. That's it. Nothing's different at all. Okay, so I'm going to do it on this shape here real quick. And once again, I'm going to do my same thing that I did before, and that my corners go back to my vanishing point. If I know I'm only going to make the shape so deep, then I don't need to take the lines all the way to the vanishing point. They just have to point at it. So I'm going to put a window in this one. And by the way, I can make my window any shape I want. Here, just to keep it simple for this one, I'm going to do two. Okay, so I'll make a box window in here because whatever the shape of the opening it is, that's just what it is. Okay, and my corner, I'm going back into the shape, so my corner goes towards my vanishing point because everything going away from me goes to the vanishing point. So now there's an opening cut back into this triangle. Now if I want to put a back end on it, like I have here, I can do that. That's not a problem. Begins, ends the same direction, begins, ends the same direction. I erase that line, and there's the back. That's all there is to it.